In this video, I'll be talking about NSW 190 visa nomination details. If you want to apply for NSW nomination, then you need to follow these steps. First step is access your eligibility. For 190 visa, there are some general requirements from Australia's immigration department, so you need to find that out. I have already created one video on that one, so you can check that out. Apart from that, you also need to see if the occupation is in the NSW's list. Then you can apply for the skill assessment and then gather all the required evidence that you will submit to support your application. Once you know that you are eligible, you can lodge the expression of interest in skill select, and then NSW state government's department will select all the applications that meet the requirements or that are eligible. In addition to apply for NSW nomination, NSW government will invite you to apply for 190 visa, and then you have to submit NSW application for nomination within 14 days and pay the application fee. NSW next step, NSW nominate successful applicants to DIBB, and after that you can actually start the 190 application process. So till step 5 you have to complete this nomination process first, and then 190 visa application process is different step altogether. So how to see like if you are eligible or not? So there are 5 things you need to keep in mind. First is that you need to meet NSW occupation requirements. We are going to see like what occupations are there in NSW list, so stay tuned. Next thing is that you have to score minimum of at least 65 points on the Australian Department of Home Affairs points test. Then you have been selected by NSW and received an invitation to apply for NSW nomination, and submit the complete and accurate application for NSW nomination within 14 days of being invited to apply. Commit to living and working in NSW for at least first 2 years after being granted 190 visa. So these are some things that you need to keep in mind. Now we are going to see the NSW skilled occupation list. So there are 2 types of nomination visa programs, 190 and 489. So the list is different, like occupation list for 190 visa is different and occupation list for 489 visa is different. I have already opened the links over there. So this is the occupation list for 190 visa. If your occupation is in this list, then you can go for this nomination program. Construction project manager, engineering manager, child care center manager, nursing clinical director, accountant, taxation accountant, external auditor. I'm not gonna read all the occupations. I'll leave the links of this PDFs in the description of this video, so you can check them out. A lot of occupations from engineering field, science, health related field, as you can see, nurses, information and communication technology, then automotive trades, metal trades, you can see that, building trades. There are lots of occupations in NSW nomination program or 190 list. Then over here we have got 489 occupation list, and they have also given what NSW regions are providing those nominations. So you can see that Northern Inland, Orana, Riverina, they will be nominating lots of occupations. For example, cotton grower, fruit and nut grower, grain, mixed crop farmer, vegetable grower. There are a lot of occupations over there. So you can see that in regional Australia, information technology related occupations are not there. So if you are IT engineer, then I will recommend that you go for 190 nomination, not for 489. In regional Australia, there is high demand for the medical related field like nurse, doctor. This is also there, like software developers, software engineers, but you can see that very few like regions are nominating those occupations. And then demand for the tradies are also high in regional Australia. So I'll just leave this link in the description, you can check that out. If you have more questions related to NSW nomination program, then let me know through the comments. Thanks for watching this video.